Welcome to 2760 Woodwardia in the Bel Air Glen Estates. Come inside and take a look. First time on the market in over 47 years, this amazing home features 4 bedrooms, 3 baths with 2,685 livable square feet, vaulted ceilings and ton of natural light as it backs up into the nature preserve. One of the best features about living up here in Bel Air Glen community are their amenities. They have tennis courts, pool, spa, play structure for the kids, amazing gym, and a room with a kitchen you can rent out and watch TV and the games. For more information about 2760 Woodwardia, contact the Scott Moore Group.